Let's discuss next part of question 1. We have discussed autolysis. Now we will discuss putrefaction. Putrefaction. What is putrefaction? Putrefaction is a decomposition process which results in liquefaction of tissues. So putrefaction is decomposition process leads to liquefaction of tissues. Okay. This happens because of bacterial fermentation occurs due to bacterial fermentation. Okay. So it is a decomposition, it is a decaying process of the body after death where liquefaction of tissue occurs due to bacterial fermentation. So what are the organisms which are responsible? The very first or the chief destructive agent would be, let's see, organisms responsible, chief destructive agent would be Clostridium ventyi. So this Clostridium ventyi will produce lecithinase, which in return will produce lysis of protein, lysis of fat, and hemolysis. So Clostridium ventyi produces lecithinase, which will produce lysis of fats, lysis of protein, and hemolysis. Okay. So there are other organisms also which are responsible for putrefaction. So other organisms are, first is E. coli, another is Streptococcus, third is Staphylococcus. So these three are the bacterial flora of GIT which spread throughout the body and causes putrefaction. This is bacterial flora of GIT. It spreads throughout the body and produces putrefaction. Okay, let's discuss the changes happen in putrefaction. Putrefaction changes. This can be external changes, this can be internal, and another is liquefaction of tissue, which is also known as colliquative changes. Okay, so in this external putrefaction changes, it also has subclassification. Number 1, change in the skin color. Second is marbling. It is also a type of color change of skin. Another is production of foul smelling gases, for example H2S. And the last is appearance of maggots. Okay, all of these following we will understand and study in detail in the next video. Now there are some modifications of putrefaction also. What are the modifications? There are two modifications. First is adipocere and another is mummification. So first is adipocere. What is adipocere? Putrefaction is arrested and body fat converts into fatty acids and a wax-like substance called adipocere. That's why the name is. Second is mummification. What is this? This is basically dehydration of the body and shivering of the body due to evaporation of water from the body. What is this? It is dehydration of body and shriveling due to evaporation of body water.